Hi there, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Critical Reading Class KU 1024. With me again, Ibu Muhsonah. In this video, we will discuss how to develop a coherent paragraph. We have an example of a coherent paragraph. Now, in 30 seconds, read the following paragraph. Finished? Now answer my questions. How many words gold can you find in the paragraph? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. Okay, how many pronouns it can you find? Let's count. 1, 2. Okay, 2. And how many pronouns its can you find? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3. This is an example of how pronouns can be used to develop a paragraph become more coherent. We have an example of a less coherent paragraph. Now, in 30 seconds, read the following paragraph. Finished? Now answer my questions. How many pronouns it can you find? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. And how many pronouns its can you find? Okay, 1 only. The keyword gold in the supporting sentences and concluding sentence is replaced with it throughout the paragraph. Using pronouns such as it, its, etc. is one of the ways to make a paragraph more coherent. However, if using pronouns makes the meaning is not clear, repeating a key noun is more recommended. Besides repeating key noun, to make a paragraph more coherent, there are a lot of transition signals we can use. Among others are first, second, next, finally, therefore, however, in conclusion, on the other hand, as a result, similarly, moreover, in addition, on the other hand, however, in contrast, for example, etc. Well, we have learned how to achieve coherence in a paragraph through unity and coherence. For orders in developing paragraphs, please visit the links in the description section or just click the card at the end of this video. Good luck! See you around! Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.